My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Khronos. This is the ransomware that attacks many Windows computers these days. My video, though, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will simply show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. But sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the computer system, this ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. Then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data because of this Khronos ransomware. This ransomware would encrypt the files and would damage all these files essentially. So it will be impossible to use these files. And it is called Khronos because it encrypts files and appends this Khronos extension to the file names. It also reveals this ransom note indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so do not waste your money and do not pay that ransom. I recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. To download Combo Cleaner, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could be also encrypted by the ransomware. So, through Internet Explorer browser, go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then start researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. So, after you click on Start Scan button, the scanning will begin. Most likely, the application would first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection of any malware, and then the scanning will begin. I would like to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the files, but Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to Premium, which will help you to always have your data protected in the future.